Hey everyone, we're going to review our 2D shapes. There are going to be 5 different shapes that we're going to be talking about in this video. I want you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can draw the shapes. If you don't have a piece of paper or a pencil near you, you can draw the shapes in the air. The 5 shapes that we're going to be talking about today are the square, the rectangle, the triangle, the oval, and then the circle. So with the square, I want you to draw the square on your paper or draw it in the air. And then I want you to look around your room to see if you can find a shape in the room that looks like a square. I'm looking around my room and I know that I have a book that's the shape of a square, and I have some pictures hanging on my wall that are in the shape of a square. The next shape we're going to be taking a look at is the rectangle. So I want you to draw the rectangle on your paper or draw it in the air and look around your room again and see if you can find a rectangle. I know I have a rectangle right in front of me because it's the keyboard to my computer. It looks just like a rectangle. So the next shape we're going to be talking about is the triangle. I want you to draw a triangle on your paper or draw it in the air and see if you can find this shape. This shape is a little tricky. You may not have anything around your house that's a triangle, but think of a food that you like to eat. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Pizza. Pizza slices are in the shape of a triangle. The next shape we're going to be talking about is an oval. I want you to draw the oval on your paper or draw it in the air, and then look around your room to see if you can find anything that might look like an oval. It could be a mirror or even a picture frame. Some picture frames are ovals. And finally, the last shape we're going to be looking at is the circle. I want you to draw the circle on your paper or draw it in the air. And then I want you to look around your room and see if you can find anything that's in the shape of a circle. It could be a clock, or if you have a snack next to you while you're looking at Mrs. F's video, your plate might be in the shape of a circle. All right. All of these shapes that we just talked about are 2D shapes. All of these shapes are flat. So now we're going to take a look at what makes them special. Does our square have curved lines or straight lines? What do you think? It has straight lines. Okay, take a look at your square now and count the sides. How many sides does our square have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our square has 4 sides. And what's special about these sides is that they're all the same, or they are all equal. Now let's count the corners or the vertices in our square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 4 vertices. All right, and finally, the thing that makes it a 2D shape is that our square is flat. Next shape we're going to take a look at is the rectangle. Does a rectangle have straight lines or curved lines? What do you think? It has straight lines. Okay, let's count the sides on our rectangle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our rectangle has 4 sides. All right. What is special about the sides of the rectangle? Are they all the same like a square? Are some of them the same? Okay. Our rectangle has 2 sides that are short and two sides that are long. That's what makes a rectangle different from a square. All right, next thing is let's count the corners or vertices of our rectangle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our rectangle has 4 vertices, and most important again, our rectangle is flat. Now we're going to move on to our triangle. Does our triangle have straight lines or curved lines? It has straight lines. Let's count the sides of our triangle. Ready? 1, 2, 3 sides. Now for the corners. Let's count the corners or the vertices of our triangle. 1, 2, 3 vertices. And finally, our triangle is flat. All right, we are going to move on to our oval. Does our oval have curved lines or straight lines? Our oval has just one curved line. Does our oval have any sides? What do you think? No, it has no sides. Does our oval have any corners or vertices? Do you see any? No, our oval has no vertices, and our oval is flat. So finally, the last shape we're going to look at today is our circle. Okay, does our circle have curved lines or straight lines? Our circle has one curved line. Does our circle have any sides? No, our circle does not have any sides. Does our circle have any vertices or corners? No, our circle has 0 vertices. And most important again, our circle is flat. All right, so these 5 shapes, and then I want you to look around your room or around your house or even outside, okay? Because shapes are all around us. We can see a shape wherever we go. Even if you're looking at this video, okay, you see the blackboard behind me. What shape is that? Is it a square? Is it a circle? Oh, I heard somebody say rectangle. It's a rectangle. Okay, so anywhere you look, you're going to see shapes all around you. So I want you to practice them, study hard, and Mrs. F will see you very soon.